Today we're going to teach you how to trade with leverage on Kraken Pro. To trade with leverage on Kraken Pro, you first need to access the margin section right here on your screen. Okay, and you're gonna see that trading pair, right, according to Kraken. After selecting your desired trading pair, you can enable the margin trading. Let's say, for example, Solana and USD. Okay, please be aware that this is not a financial advice. Before you start trading on Kraken, you need to study the market because it's highly volatile. Let's say, for example, I want to buy. Next to the limit, I'm gonna choose margin instead of spot. Okay, and now of course don't forget to add the amount in the TP and SL so you can protect yourself if you started losing from the trade. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.